to receive the equal tithe and offering. Proverbs 3:9. Solomon writes, honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops. How many of you work for a living? You got a job, you get a paycheck. How would you feel if you, after you call work, they only paid you half?
Oh!
So we honor God with what we give. If you give him half of what you're supposed to, he's going to feel how you would feel if you got paid half of what you're supposed to get paid. We're to honor God. We're to treat God like God. With what? With the first fruits of all your crops. It's 10% of what he gives you. Our way of saying, Lord, our trust is in you. Our hope is in you. It's not in Tulama. It's not in the state. Our hope is in the living God. And we honor you with what we give. Everybody get an envelope that wanted one? If you need an envelope, just put your hand in the air. You're going to honor God. We're not going to give him half of what we're supposed to give him. We'll give him exactly what we're going to honor him. He's ready to give it. Put a smile on your face. Lord, we want to honor you with our wealth, with our time. We want to honor the living God. Lord, you are our provider, and I pray for the prosperity of the people of God. These that are putting their trust in you, you would cause them to get stronger, to increase, to flourish, month by month, year by year, stronger and stronger still. I declare your blessing over the